Welcome boys. I am going to discuss some question related to the compound angle of trigonometry. One type question, tan 8 alpha minus tan 5 alpha minus tan 3 alpha is equal to tan 8 alpha another question A B tan 35 degree tan 10 degree again tan 5 alpha minus tan 3 alpha minus tan 2 alpha plus is equal to another question. There are different questions from this type, tan a minus b plus tan b minus c plus tan c minus a, tan in one bracket a minus b plus tan bracket b minus c plus tan c minus a is equal to tan a minus b into tan b minus c into tan c minus a. In this type question, we make a relation between the given angles. For example, for A, 8 alpha is equal to 5 alpha plus 3 alpha. In the second question, 35 is equal to 45 minus 10 or 45 is equal to 35 plus 10. In the third question, 5 alpha is equal to 3 alpha plus 2 alpha, and after the making the relation between angle, we take the tangent on both sides, and after the calculation we get our result. For example, B 35 10 are given. 30 plus 5, 35 plus 10 is equal to 45. Since 45 is equal to 35 degree plus 10 degree. Now taking tangent on both sides, we write the 45 in right hand side. 35 plus 10 is equal to 45, taking tangent on both sides. Tan 35 plus 10 is equal to tan 45. Now apply the formula tan a plus b in left hand side. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. A is the 35 and B is the 10. This implies that tan 35 plus tan 10 degree, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan 35 into tan 10 degree is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1, and this is equal to, this implies that tan 35 plus tan 10 degree and denominator in the right hand side, and 1 into brackets, that is the 1 minus tan 35 into tan 10 degree. This implies that tan minus sign from right side to the left side, minus, that is the plus. This implies that tan 35 plus tan 10 degree is plus tan 35 and this is equal to 1. Proved. For the A, 8 alpha is equal to 5 alpha plus 3 alpha. Therefore, taking tangent on both sides, tan 8 alpha is equal to tan 5 alpha plus tan 3 alpha upon 1 minus tan 5 alpha into tan 3 alpha, and by the cross multiplication, and we get the our result. Same condition, if tan A minus B plus tan B minus C plus tan C minus A is equal to tan A minus B plus into tan B minus C into tan C minus A. In this type question, we make the relation A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A, and this is equal to 0. To write this two terms in left hand side, or we assume that A minus B is equal to x, and this is the y and z. X plus y plus z equal to 0, and x plus y is equal to minus z, and taking tangent on both sides, we get our result. Now boys, for the second type question, second type question, tan 70 degree is equal to 2 tan 50 degree plus tan 20 degree, and tan 62 degree is equal to tan 62 degree is equal to 2 tan 34 plus tan 28 degree. Next, tan 50 degree is equal to tan 40 degree plus 2 tan 10 degree. 3 or more questions in this type. and this is a 2 marks question in 2018. First of all, we say that to make the relation between the given angle, 70 degree is equal to 50 plus 20. 62 degree is equal to 34 plus 28. 34 plus 28 is equal to 62. And 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. One question from the given questions. Suppose question number B. Tan 62 degree is equal to for the proof. This is the proof that (62) is equal to 34 plus 28, or 62 minus 28 is equal to 34. We have 62 degree is equal to 34 plus 28. Taking tangent on both sides, tan 62 is equal to tan 34 plus 28. Apply the tangent on both sides. In the right hand side, tan A plus B. Again apply the formula tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus B here formula tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus B. Right hand side, tan A 34 plus tan 28 by 1 minus this implies that. Now by the cross multiplication, tan 62 denominator in the left hand side into 1 minus tan 28 is equal to In the left hand side, open the bracket, tan 62 into tan 62, this and this. This implies that tan 62 minus tan 62, tan 30, 28. Open the bracket. In the proof, right hand side is the 2 tan 34, 1 tan 34. We see that 62 and 28 to change 28 as the 62 form or 62 minus 28 is equal to 20. This is the complement. 62 plus 28 degree is equal to 90 degree. Implies that tan 62 is equal to 90 minus 28. 90 minus 28 into tan 34, and this is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Suppose this is the theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal. Therefore, cancel. This implies that tan 62 degrees minus tan 34 here left hand side minus right hand side plus tan 34 plus tan 34 to tan 34 degree. This is equal to, this implies that tan 62 degree is equal to in the first case tan 70 degree is equal to 2 tan 50 degree plus tan 20 degree. We make the relation between the given angle 70 degree is equal to 50 plus 20, and taking tangent on both sides, after the cross multiplication, there we get tan 70 minus tan 70, 10, 20, 10, 50 is equal to 10, 50 plus 10, 20. And one angle will be changed into their complement, and after the calculation we get our result. Boys, second type question. Second type question. Alpha, sin square alpha plus sin square 120 minus alpha plus sin square 120 plus alpha is equal to 3 by 2. B question. Cos square alpha plus cos square alpha minus 120 degree cos square alpha plus 120 degree is equal to 3 by 2. C. Sin square A plus sin square 60 minus alpha plus sin square 60 plus alpha is equal to 3 by 2. This is the cos square form. Cos square A D. Cos alpha plus cos 120 minus alpha 120 plus alpha is equal to 0. Another question. In this type question, sin square A, sin square 60 minus A, sin square 60 plus A is equal to 3 by 2. Now boys, to solve the question number 1 and to solve the remaining question as the homework. In the homework, note the sin square alpha plus sin square, this question. Here, sin square theta, meaning sin theta whole square. Sin square 120 minus alpha means sin 120 minus alpha whole square. First term as it is sin square alpha plus second term, apply the formula of sin A minus B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin 120 cos alpha minus cos 120 sin alpha, bracket close and whole square. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Third term, sin a plus b sin a cos b sin 120 cos alpha plus cos 120 into sin alpha, bracket close, whole square. Now, what is the value of sin 120? Sin 120 is equal to sin 120 degree is equal to sin 180 minus 60 degree. 180 minus 60. 180 is here. Minus 60 lies in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant sign is positive. And this is the 2 into 90. Therefore, sign will be sign is not changed into their complement as it is. This is the sin 60 degree, and sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. And cos 120, similarly cos 120 is equal to cos 180 minus 60, and in the second quadrant cos is negative, 2 into 90. Therefore, this is the minus cos 60 minus 1 by 2. Sin square alpha plus root 3 by 2 cos alpha minus cos 120 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 sin alpha whole square a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. A formula is there. If a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 bracket a square plus b square. A is the root 3 by cos 2 cos alpha, and b is the 1 by 2. This is the a and b, and this is equal to sin square alpha plus 2 times of a square plus b square, means root 3 by 2 cos alpha whole square plus b square plus 1 by 2 sin alpha whole square. And this is equal to sin square alpha multiply by 2. This is equal to sin square alpha plus 3 by 2 cos square alpha plus 1 by 2 sin square alpha. Two is the LCM. 3 sin square alpha 2 is the LCM. Now 2 sin square alpha plus sin square alpha, 3 sin square alpha, 3 cos square alpha by 2, and 3 is common. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha by 2, and 3 by 2 into 1, 3 by 2 equal to RHS.